Packlytics, and in today's video we're going to go through sensor placement. We're going to use this Cousins 2100 just to show sensor placement. I have here in the box, and I pre-assembled this because we already did a video on how the sensor mounts get adjusted and put together. So on this one, on all of our installs, you would be installing sensor to monitor the skid and the pallet location, and also on the back side, which we'll show you in a minute, to monitor the roll of film. What you do need to keep in mind though when you are running sensors and sensor wires, that you don't put any wires on or around any moving parts. So on this Cousin, this actually goes up and down, film goes through the machine, and of course the turntable spins. You don't want to block any of that or run any cables around it. So I already pre-assembled these mounts. So just to give you two examples, so this mount would go here, and it will get mounted with two screws. The sensor will get mounted to monitor the turntable. And then on this side of the machine, again, no moving parts. This one will get mounted here like this, with a sensor that will be pointed at the roll of film. But those are the two locations for almost all installs. It will only require two sensors for Packlytics to be installed and monitor any stretch wrapper. I will also have examples across the bottom of the screen here of other installs with sensors on, like a double arm wrapper and other types of stretch wrappers. But again, it should work on just about any type of machine. Thank you.